this year. What income am I anticipating? Then I said, do I need my money now and I can afford to pay the government in April or May or June? Or do I want to pay it quarterly? It's a decision. You won't go to jail, but you'll get penalties and interest if you don't pay quarterly. Okay? I myself, I don't pay my taxes. I don't pay my taxes throughout the year. I pay my taxes on April 15th. Because I know what they are, because I've already got my budget, I already got my cash flow from my QuickBooks, I already know what my liability is going to be. And then I calculate the interest and penalties that's going to be on it. Because I want to keep my money in my business right now to help it grow and to do other things. So I'd rather pay that small amount. This year it was $280 I had to pay extra on top of my tax liability. And that was worth it to me. Okay? So it's all about your goals. All right? Did that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all? Okay. So y'all remember, what did I say you need? Okay, what else did I say you need from your, what do you need to have on file with your employer once you know what your tax goal is? Did y'all know y'all had a separate state W-4 than federal W-4? You knew? Okay, so now they changed it. A lot of my clients don't know because they've been on their jobs 5 and 6 years and above. So they filled out one W-4 back in the day, and that's still there. And you have to change your W-4 when your circumstances change. Also, when your marital status changes, when you have children, or when your children age out and leave the nest, you gotta change your W-4, okay? You definitely have to stay on top of those changes. Y'all with me? Okay, all right. What else did I need to tell you? Okay, now I'm going to go to a real estate specific example. All right? I'm going to need to write on the board. I want to show you. I want to show you. Okay, since this is about real estate, and let me be clear. I just need a little corner. And I want you to raise your whole thing. Let me be clear. We have been penalized by this 10% tax, property tax, not even property tax, all tax, this cap. So every single avenue that we pay taxes out of, we're not getting the benefit above $10,000. What does that mean? Thank you. What does that mean? If you're paying in $4,000 in federal taxes, $1,000 in state taxes, that's $5,000, and you're paying in $10,000 for property taxes, that's $15,000. The government is only giving us credit for $10,000. The other $5,000 is gone into the government's pocket. Okay? Did y'all? I don't know if y'all realize that we have that. But what they did was they increased the standard deduction to the point where most people cannot itemize. That's the first thing. And second thing is those who can itemize are being penalized by that 10% cap. So if you feel like, oh, I owe this year and I never owed before,